Hey guys, I am ready to work out today. I am doing a 5-minute mini walk warm-up with my girl, Leslie Sansone. Let's go.
You start already with a little pump to the arms, a little bit of a power walk. The body's getting warm, muscles get warm, body temperature goes up. You feel that the joints start to move more freely. A little lubrication comes to those joints, and that's how you feel good moving in a full range of motion. Again, side steps, all you do, step out together, sit down a little lower now. Call on more thigh muscle. Nice. Step out a little wider. I want that heart rate to start coming up. Nice. Just a few more. 4 and 3 and 2. Walk again. Walk. Good. Upper body, wake it up. Raise those hands to heaven. Tuck your tummy back. That's it. Walk strong. Walk tall. And 4 and 3 and 2. Now push your arms to the front. Let's push. And push, and push. Wake up all the muscles. We're gonna increase pace right now. So here comes that punch of cardio. Pick up your feet and let those feet fall into that nice fast speed. 1, 2, 1, 2. Walk. Woo! Let's go back to the upper body. Come on, get it up there real strong. Reach high, reach, and reach, and reach, and reach, all the way through the fingertips. Extend the arms. Come on, every time you put a little more effort in, it makes a difference. 4 and 3, 2, push to the front. Now arms, 8 and 7 and 6 and 5, 4, 3, 2, arms are down now. Knee lifts are coming. Tight tummy. 4 and 3, 2. Now lift the knees. All you do is lift the knee, lift the knee. Now let's get our elbow to come down toward the knee. You don't have to come all the way to the knee if you can. Good. It's like a standing crunch. We can get into the belly. Go. Elbows down into the thigh. We're working the middle of the body, the thighs, the back end, upper body's in the crunch. Standing crunches. 2 more times. You don't always have to go down to the floor to do your ab exercises. That's good too. But it's so nice when you can get it all in one. We're gonna move around, guys. 2 up and 2 back. Here we go. Now, remember, if you have some room, stretch out. And if you're really kind of in a small space, that's okay. No problem. Just take smaller steps. Keep the pace, and that's what gets you fit. Keeping the beat, keeping the pace. Up and back. Let's go up and back. Putting muscle in motion. Oh my, that's what gives you that higher heart rate, bigger calorie burn. Get you stronger, get you leaner. Muscles in motion. Back up. When you're backing up, you're using muscles to balance. Oh my goodness, you don't do that on a traditional walk. So you're using a lot more muscle than a stroll around the block. A little wee bump to the pace. Get your feet working first. This is the HIIT period. High intensity interval training. We're gonna work a little and then we'll recover a little, okay? If you wanna keep it all low impact, here's what you're doing. Walk, raise those arms. You can stay just like this for this short little session. But if you can, look what I'm doing. I am simply coming up light on my feet. It is such a gentle jog, you really can't call it jogging. But guess what? It's boosted walking. It's a boost. I just want to drive heart rate up just a bit. Come on, just a few more. 4 and 3 and 2. Give me 4 more right here. Go 4 and 3 and 2. Let's go to recovery now. Recovery is getting down low. Put your heels on the floor. Low impact. Blow out that air. Woo, that feels good. 4 and 3 and 2. We're going back up. Here we go. Come on, gentle jog. Come on. Come on, don't quit now. It's almost over. That's how fast it goes. A little session of boosted walking with a little recovery, that is so healthy for you. It's one of the most efficient ways to train. HIIT training, you're doing it. Recover. Heart rate high, yeah? You don't even have to worry about counting anything. You just go for a few seconds, go hard, come down low, let the body adjust to that. It's so powerful. Blow out. Come on. Okay, last little one. Here it comes. Here it comes. Just pick up feet. Last little hit. All you've got to do is pick up those feet and go. Come on. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, recovery. Here we go. Nice, you did the hit.